In this video, I will show you how to enable vibrant visuals in Minecraft Bedrock January 21st 80. First, make sure you're running Minecraft version January 21st 80. Once you're in the game, tap play, and either create a new world or edit an existing one. Both options will take you to the same settings screen. Now scroll down to the experiments section, and under the graphics category on the right, turn on vibrant visuals. A warning will pop up about experimental features possibly affecting your world, but in most cases, it works fine. After that, create or load your world. Now once you're inside the world, press escape and go into settings. On the left side, select video under the general tab. Scroll down on the right until you find graphics mode. If you've enabled the experiment correctly, you'll now see vibrant visuals as an option. Choose between favor performance, favor visuals, or go into custom for detailed settings like shadows, reflections, and fog quality. Tweak the settings as needed for the best balance between graphics and performance. After a few seconds, the changes will apply and your Minecraft world will now run with vibrant visuals enabled. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.